Pakita ko sa inyo ang behind the scenes before an expo or a bazaar. Ganito po siya kagulo in reality before mag-start. So, hello friends, nagpaplano kami ng BuCon 2024! Ito yung dead na sila. Dead na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanggang doon, may Rizza. We are on our way to check yung para sa BuCon 2024. Hello friends! We are currently here at Megatrade Fashion Hall 2. Dito yung magiging venue natin for BuCon 2024. Hindi ako yung organizer, pero andito lang kami to have our first ever expo for Lana and Mink, which is super duper exciting. And then we are just going here to visit para makita yung actual place kung saan kami magsiset up. We currently have a 2 meter by 4 meter area. Tas yun yung tatry nating bihisan. Isa sa harap, isang ganun na mirror na. Or dito yung isang ganun na yung para dito na yung ipapatanggal ba natin yun? Hello friends, we are at the HQ right now kasi magpa-practice tayo ng design natin for BuCon. It is 2 weeks away from the event and I'm so excited, but at the same time ang daming kailangan gawin, so we will just be having an alignment meeting with the team. Then I will take you along with me with that process. Kaya ito na ang ating BuCon setup, mock-up setup. So, yun. Hello friends, fit check. We are on our way to Mall today to get advance tickets for BuCon. Of course, wala pa tayong ayos because sa kotse tayo mag-aayos as per usual. TikTok top, judging, New Balance, and this leather bag from Angela Roy. There, let's go. I work out for this. Hello friends, it is 2 days before BuCon and I am getting ready kasi papunta ako ng office today to do a mock setup and trial run for Saturday. It is currently a Thursday. So now, lang ako dun quick para matry namin yung setup to see kung ano pa yung mga kulang, kung meron pa bang bibilhin, etc. Meron pang ipapadagdag. But I'm really excited. This is our very first malaking expo for Lana and Mink kasi lagi lang kaming bazaars, ganyan. But ngayon talaga yung parang wow, meron pa kaming pina-customize, ganyan. But I'm just really excited and proud of the team. Can I just say that? Kasi halos lahat ng mga gamit or i-exhibit namin are DIY because nagpa-quote kami sa talagang mga nagsiset up ng ganyan and hindi kaya ng budget for now. Pero hopefully, malay nyo in the future, diba? So, yun. Yung iba, dini-DIY namin. Yung iba, mga binili. Yung iba, pinaprint sa Manila. Yung namin, yung sticker business namin. And it's going to be a crazy day. because this morning, yun nga, yung mock setup, sa hapon, I'll have a couple of meetings for sake of Kalatagan, and then sa gabi, may marketing meeting naman kami for Landos para sa Oktoberfest and Burmans. Hindi ko na na-film pero I put on sunblock also, of course, by Lana Beach. So, there. See ya. Bye. Po sa ating episode ng Healing Our Inner Child. Ang mga tita po ay nag-start ng mag-Sunny Angels. Budol po ng BFF ko. Nakakaloka. Okay, tig-isa muna kami. First, ikaw na lang unang pumili. Sige.
Hala. Tikit ba?
Tikit. Tikit tayo. Ayan na. G. Okay. So, okay. So, ang kinuha namin yung hippers. Ayan, ayan, sa aming mga cellphone. So, are we ready? Sige, sabay ba?
Bretman Rock.
Yes. Okay, ang mga koko.
Hindi makasira.
Thanks, let's go. Ayan. Sorry, Mama Earth. Teeny tiny one.
Hala, anong gusto? Teka lang, ano ang gusto mo?
Ay, saan ba dito?
Ayan.
Okay, ito daw. Sa mga...
Ito yung sa...
Mga Sunny Angel Virgin po kami.
Yes, anong gusto mo makuha?
Ako, ang gusto kong makuha ay... I think, radish.
Ay, tayo.
Radish.
Radish. Ang
Ito,
cute.
ito cute kasi may ganun siyang emerald. Ikaw.
Ako, namimili ako. May French kasi. French Bulldog. May French Bulldog meron.
Saan? Ayun.
Tapos may rabbit. So, alam
may
niyo na,
animal.
French Bulldog po, malamang mag-exchange kami ni Madam.
Hindi, may French Bulldog din naman siya. Okay, sige, game. Okay, ito ang mga possibilities po natin for today. Okay, game? Ay, parang I feel like it's a cherry. Oh my God. Mga pinagagawa namin sa buhay, but it's so cute. Is it worth it? Yes.
Ang ganda! Is this the start?
Start of something new.
It could be the start of something new. Wala, nag-out.
Okay, laban. Ang cute. Tayo.
Ganito, Mi. Ganito.
Pero ang cute nung sa akin kasi parang, hi, hello, are you still okay today? Hindi mo deserve mag-breakdown na clock kasi I'm so cute. Ganon. Hi, hello po. Okay ka pa, Riz? Yes, okay pa tayo.
Tapos mo siya ng konti.
But, hindi siya, mangangalay siya. Doon pala yun. Hi, look at the butt. I am beautiful. So, we are done here sa office. Pauwi na ako. Bumili na ako ng mga lutong pagkain just so hindi na ako kailangan magluto later. So, there. Let's go. Let's go home. I have a 1:30 meeting. Okay, so this is our karinderya hall. Sorry, Mama Earth, puro plastic kasi hindi ako ready. Ngayon ko lang nakita na may karinderya pala sa tapat ng building namin. Anyway, so adobong sitaw, chicken curry. We also have, laing. Oh my God, I miss this so much. Yung toge, sauce, and merong palibreng sinigang na sabaw.
I am terrified. So we
Good morning, friends. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ang behind the scenes before an expo or a bazaar. Ayan, ganito po siya kagulo in reality before mag-start. So, yan, before you see the ganda of an expo, it looks like this. So, we started our day around 3 o'clock. I woke up at 3 a.m. kasi mag-set up na kami dito sa Mega Trade, and then we have the entire team over here figuring out everything. Sobrang proud ako sa kanila. First time namin mag-expo ng ganito. So here we are figuring out everything. So I'll take you along with me for the expo.
So,
update, the team is about to finish the setup. Pero yung mga girls, bumalik kami dito sa hotel para makapag-ayos kasi kami magsistay doon sa booth buong araw. So now, we are just getting ready. Just had quick breakfast. So, haligo lang namin. So, it is time to get ready. We got this. I only have about 15 minutes to put on everything. Sorry po, hindi kami nagpapanik. Kaya po, papunta na kami na Yukon.
We are on our way to Yukon! Yay! I'm so proud! I'm so proud of us!
Sobrang proud ako. I might cry.
Wag siguro muna kasi nag-makeup. At ang OG Mang Ed! Mang Ed! Ala, oo nga. Amazing.
Hello friends, it is a day after BuCon. We were there for 2 days, but now we are here at Holiday Inn Manila Galleria because I treated the girls to a hotel stay here. Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast and we are on our way to the pool para makapag-relax ng konti before we go home and rest.